Hello YouTube, this is Hayden271. I just want to do a quick bike check of my bike. This is a Bikes Trebol Neutron 2012, mustard colour. The only thing I did to it is that proper stem, top loader, in flat black. Everything else is stock. It just has double wall wheels, rims, normal Trebol forks, and some Strictly stickers. And yeah, everything else is stock. I love how that seat's really low. It's a really nice colour. All my friends think it's shit, but I think they're all haters for hating black bikes. And also, Cobbs 360 also loves this bike. And this is my other friend's Colony, piece of shit. It's a 2013 and vendor, I'm pretty sure. Yep, that angle's pretty nice, but my one's really better. Really good, I mean. And yep, and some piece of shit cheap ass free agent. Yeah, don't even need to look at that. Some United Recruit 1, that's Cobbs 360s, and an adorable little kitty. Yep. Well, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And sorry if my voice is too high. Screw you all haters. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.